In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change order of products on Squarespace. If you've ever wanted your best sellers to appear first, or to group similar items together for a smoother shopping experience, reordering products in Squarespace is quick and visual. You won't need any code, and everything updates in real time as you move items around. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard. From there, click Websites, then click Pages. This takes you to the list of all the pages on your site so you can jump straight to the one you want to adjust. Find and open your store page, the page where your products are displayed to customers. This might be labeled Shop, Store, or Products, depending on how you named it. Once you're on the store page, look to the left side of the editor. You'll see a list of your products in a vertical panel. That list mirrors the exact order your items appear on the Public Products page. Think of it as the master list that controls what your visitors see. The item at the top of this list appears first on your storefront, and the one at the bottom appears last. To reorder, move your cursor over any product in that left-hand list. As you hover, a drag handle appears next to the product. Click and hold that handle, then drag the product up or down to the new position you want. As you drag, you'll see a line or highlight indicating where the item will land. Release your mouse to drop it into place. Repeat this for any other items you want to move. You can make big jumps to the top, fine-tune a few positions, or completely rearrange the entire list, whatever fits your merchandising plan. You'll notice the order on the page view updates to match the changes you make in the left panel, so you can immediately see how your storefront will look to shoppers. Squarespace saves these changes as you go, so there's nothing extra to publish or confirm. Take a moment to scan the page and make sure the flow makes sense. Feature your hero products first, keep related items close together, and place seasonal or promotional products where they'll get the most attention. And that's all there is to it. By clicking Websites, opening Pages, going to your store page, and dragging items using the handles on the left, you can fine-tune the order of your products in just a few seconds. Arrange them the way you want, and you're done.